Hello students, welcome to online English class for grade 9. First of all, I want to congratulate all of you to promoted from 8th standard to 9th standard. Congratulations! And I wish everyone wants to be good and staying at home safely. And one more thing, most of us are missing our school very much and we are longing to go to school and meet our friends. Am I right? Let's talk freely. I want to ask you some questions to you. First question, what kind of school would you want to have in the future? Second one, how much will the computer be involved in the future education? Third one, will you feel more happy in a more developed high-tech society? Why or why not? Right, children? So, these questions are related to our class today, right? So, in this picture, how will be the school of the future? The first one, learning through computer. Second one, virtual classroom. Third one, robotic teacher. Fourth one, moving e-text. So, these are the materials or these are the components of the future school. So, first one refers that you will be learning through the computer. So, there will not be a human teacher. And virtual classroom refers, it's not like a normal classroom which you are studying now. It is different from normal classroom. You will be learning everything through the screen of the computer. And the third one is robotic teacher. Robotic teacher is not a normal teacher. It is differently from normal teacher. Actually, a robot will teach you. And the fourth one is moving e-text. Moving e-text, here it refers, instead of writing on the board, the robot will show you the things through the text on the screen of the computer. So, it will be like this in our future, but we are not sure we will be learning this. I think it will be, that is, this present situation will be good in future also, because we could not suggest that the virtual classroom are not perfect for everyone. Right, children? So here, difference between the present school, that is now we are studying now, and the future school. The first one, material. So how what are the materials in the present school? Real book, that is the book which are printed on papers. It looks like slight yellow color and crinkly. Okay, and in the future school, will there any book? No. So instead of normal book, telebook and e-book on the screen will be there. Okay, children. Then next, classrooms. How will be the classrooms in now in our present school? A particular a teaching will be done in a building, is it not? And many students are taught the same thing. But in future school, they will be learning in their house itself. They don't want to leave from their home, and each kid could be taught differently. The classes are always on at the same time every day. So there will not be any time changing. They don't want to leave from the home. They will be staying and learning in the home itself, and each kid will be taught differently. Right, children? And then next, how will be the homework and tests and all possible in both the schools? In present schools, exam will be conducted, test paper will be given, and the writing part will be done. But in future school, what would happen? They will be writing the things in through the computer by pressing the keys, and after that they will put them on a particular slot. Slot here it refers after typing everything, they will put them in a particular slot. So the computer will correct everything and give the marks to the particular students. Have you all understood, students? So these are the things today we are going to learn. So this is the first lesson of your Beehive book, The Fun They Had, written by the famous author Isaac Asimov. So he is Isaac Asimov. His occupation is writer. He was born on 2nd January 1920 and he was died on 6th April 1992. He was educated in Columbia University and Boston University of Medicine, and he was born in Russia. That is, he was born in Petrovich in Russia, and he was died in. So they are the two main characters of the lesson. So the first one, name of the boy is Tommy and the girl name is Margie. So the story was happened in 2157. Okay, the year of 2157. Okay, children. Tommy is a 13-year-old boy. Tommy is a 13-year-old boy and Margie is an 11-year-old girl. Both are living in the year of 2157. Right, children? And both are going to the future school. That is, they were the students of future school. Already I told you how will be the future school. Right, children? Then next, one day Tommy finds an old book about school in the attic. Attic here it refers, you want to find out the meaning of the word, and they turned yellow and crinkly pages of the book. So here you want to find out the meaning of both the words, that they are attic and crinkly. Okay. Since they are living in the year of 2157, the books are very new to them because they never seen such a printed book. Next, they are surprised to see still words in the book because they were very much surprised. Why means, so far they have seen the words through the computer screen or and they have seen the e-text, but this is the first time they are seeing the words in the book. Are you all understand, students? The children are, that is Tommy and Margie, they are living in the year of 2157, like future, right? And one day Tommy found a old book from the attic. This is the first time they are seeing a printed book. So far they have learnt the things through the e-text on the computer screen. So by seeing this book, they were very much surprised. Are you all understand, students? They thought the old book to be wastage of resources as it was to be thrown after one use. So how both are thinking means, after reading this book, it can be thrown. That is, they think that it is a use and throw book. Use and throw book. But they didn't realize the value of the printed book, because they are living in future. They didn't realize the value of the book, right? I think today it is enough for today's class. Let's see the remaining in the next video. And one more thing, this is your today's homework. You want to make 5 possible questions with the answers from the lesson what I taught you so far. Have you understand, students? You want to make 5 possible questions with the answers from this lesson. Okay, and you want to send back the homeworks to me. Have you all understood? Yes, children, and thank you for watching this video. Let's see tomorrow. Thank you.